Hi, my name is Crystal Nguyen, and my chosen lesson to teach this week is how to solve exponential equations using logarithms with a base of 10. Now, you may be wondering, what makes an exponential equation different from a logarithmic equation? Why are they two different types of equations? Well, an exponential equation is an equation in which the variable appears in an exponent. Like the example provided below, the variable x is the exponent to the number 2. On the other hand, a logarithmic equation is an equation that involves the logarithm of an expression containing a variable. Shown in the example, the expression 3x minus 2 follows a logarithm with a base of 4. The exponential formula addresses that b to the power of a is equal to n, where b stands for the base, the a is the exponent, and n stands for the number that the expression is equal to. The logarithmic formula is log base b times n equal to a. In this lesson, you will learn how to solve for exponential equations using the logarithmic formula, and therefore it is important that you understand and memorize the arrangement of the three variables b, a, and n. After learning the basic foundation, you can now solve exponential equations using log. Problem number 1 wants you to solve x given the equation 10 to the power of 4x minus 7 is equal to 3. Before you begin solving, you have to identify the different parts of the equation. Because this is an exponential equation, you can see that b is 10, a is 4x minus 7, and n is 3. The logarithmic formula is provided on the bottom to help you further solve. Once you have identified all the values and its corresponding variables, you can substitute the values into the logarithmic formula, which will be log base 10 times 3 is equal to 4x minus 7. Next, you isolate the x by adding 7 on both sides, which you will then cancel the value on the right, and therefore leaving you with the equation log base 10 times 3 minus 7, which is equal to 4x. The last step entails that you solve for x by dividing both sides with 4. As a result, the final answer is x is equal to log base 10 times 3 minus 7 all over 4. The next example follows similar steps. Given the equation 7 times 10 to the power of x minus 10 is equal to 6, you first want to isolate the exponential portion on the left. This means that you want to add 10 on both sides to cancel the value on the left side, which will then turn the equation into 7 times 10 to the power of x is equal to 16. You want to further isolate x by dividing both sides by 7, and that will be 10 to the power of x is equal to 16 over 7. Once you get this equation, you need to identify the different parts of the equation, which is b is 10, a is x, and n is 16 over 7. You can substitute the values into the logarithmic formula and you get the final answer. X is equal to log base 10 times 16 over 7. That is all. Thank you for listening to my presentation.